Hi there. Now we are going to install a new WordPress theme, which is our City InfoShop theme. So for demonstration, we are installing the one of the City InfoShop theme. So now you can check we have installed latest WordPress, and now we are going to install theme. So choose the theme. We are choosing the limo drive theme. When you will get the source code, extract that source code, and you will find the main zip. Here here is the limo drive zip, so I am selecting this zip. Install now. Activate theme. Now install all the dependent plugin. Select all and click apply button. It will take some time, so please wait. You must have to install all of these plugin to work theme properly, so please don't forget to uh, install all of this plugin. Now return to require plugin installer and activate all of the installed plugin. I am activating all. Make sure this is for demonstration only. You can install all of our City InfoShop theme by same process. This is the Elementor default page. Now close it. Okay, our theme is installed. Now going to SIS dashboard and activate your theme. This is make sure this is only for demonstration, so we are adding the dummy data. You must have to enter your purchase code from the theme forest. After that you can see your theme will be activated. Now go to import sample data. You can see we have configured our server properly. You must have to configure your server this variable configuration, otherwise you can't import the sample data. Now you can see here our site is blank, there is no data. So now we are installing the sample data. Click OK. In importing, if you are getting I mean to say, if the process get stuck, so there will be a problem related to your server configuration, and maybe the maximum execution time is not set properly or by defaultly set by your server hosting. So make sure the server configuration is completely set up. In some time shared hosting, they are not allow to user to configure all the setting as per user needs. There are some limitation in the server of the shared hosting, so please contact your server provider. And still, if you are not able to install the theme due to server configuration, so you can set up our theme in local. To install our theme in local, you can see we are getting the error into sample data. You can see the process get stuck, and also we can see the request timeout error, so process is stuck. So in this case, we have to install this theme in the local host. So now we are going to our local host. I have already installed WAMP server, you can check here, and I have also the local, you can see. So now I am installing the theme in the our local, and I am selecting same theme, installing, activate, install required plugin. This is the easiest way if you are not able to proper configure the required parameter with the server, so you can easily install the theme in the local. We are preferring to install the WAMP server. It will take some time. Now plug in all of the installer. Now activate all this plugin. Now return to the dashboard. Click close this Elementor default plugin page. Now go to SIS dashboard. And you can see I also configured the local configuration. Now we are adding the demo purchase code. You can see our theme is activated. Now we are going to same method which we use for the sample data importing. So now we are going to import sample data. You can see there are blank empty site. Now we are importing sample data into local server. You can see the process is ongoing. Probably this type of issue we are the most of facing, maybe in the shared hosting, to stuck the sample data process is stuck. But you can also check with your server provider, and there are other options which I am saying about the local host to set up the theme in local. Okay, now you can see the sample data is successfully imported, and now we can check the site. See, sample data is successfully installed in your local host. Now you have successfully installed the sample data. After that, you have to install the all-in-one plugin to export this site into your for your live server. So we are adding the all-in-one plugin to export this site. We are choosing all-in-one plugin. Activate this plugin. Now we go to export site. Here you can export site before you can search and replace the variable. For example, this is our local host URL. So in the database also this is saved like something like, so you must have to change your live server URL to replace this variable. Suppose this is our live server URL, and we are replacing something like, so it will replace all this of local server site URL to your live server URL. So make sure you will change it. Now we can export to file. Okay, you can see the file is exported. You can also see here downloaded file. Okay, now go to your live server and install same the plugin all in one to import our exported site. So we are going to install same all in one plugin here. Activate the plugin, go to all in one and import. Here you can import the file which we already downloaded from the local server. So this is the easiest way to migrate your local site to live server. You can see our import process also successfully done. Now we can see. Okay, now going to home page, you can see we have successfully installed local site to live server. Thank you so much.